Welcome back to CryptosRus. I am George. We're all George. So, happy Friday. It's the last day of the week, and it's looking pretty darn bullish once again. BlackRock's ETF chief, outside of Larry Fink, who's already very, very pro, but the ETF chief sees crypto deregulation pushing Bitcoin to new heights. Well, we're pretty close. We're at 103 now. We're only 5,000 points away from a new high. We may hit 110 today. Let's see where things go. And you know what did I tell you guys? All the people that panic sold last week, including the ETFs, because we had 4 straight massive days of outflows. Guess what? They all have to buy back at a higher price now. So the last 2 days of inflow, absolutely fantastic. Already surpassed the outflows of the last 4 days. And today, no question, is going to be a massive inflow day as well. This is why I tell you guys, do not give up on Bitcoin. Don't fall for the FUD. Continue the course. HODL and DCA, dollar cost average. That's the name of the game. It's the winning strategy. It's been the winning strategy forever. All right, Bitcoin treasuries, 600,000 Bitcoin held by public trade companies. Most of that is Michael Saylor, let's be honest about it, but still enormous amount, plus the ETFs, plus everything else, the institutions that are straight buying Bitcoin. I mean, 2024 was such a good year. People don't think it was, but it was a great year. Besides price rise to a new high, the fundamentals increased dramatically. And the thing is, this year will be even bigger and better and more profits all around. Bitcoin DeFi TVL up 2,000% last year as everything has transpired. You got 52% of Americans have sold stocks or gold to buy Bitcoin. That number will continue to go up for sure because the greatest mover, the fastest horse in the race is, of course, Bitcoin. Well, I mean, there's other crypto that's faster than Bitcoin, but still, not really. If you've been looking at my DCA portfolio since 2021 to now, I don't think anything's outperformed Bitcoin. Very little. But this is in the context of comparing it to assets outside of crypto, stocks or gold or bonds, I don't know, ETFs. Nothing comes close. Bitcoin gives an annualized return of 140+% year over year over year. That's including the crypto winters. What gives you that kind of return? Like, why would you just not hoard as much Bitcoin as you can? Mara is celebrating Trump by inscribing this into a block. That's pretty cool. And what else is there? Aave plans on, Aave is one of the biggest DeFi projects out there. They plan on boosting Bitcoin mining. They're going to partner up with some other company, and they're going to start mining Bitcoin. I mean, again, I don't know if you guys still don't understand. You should by now. Hey, supply shock is in effect. It doesn't matter if we fall down 10%. It doesn't matter if we have a little volatility. You take the bad with the good. What did I say last week, right? You have to take the bad with the good. And now we're feeling the good part. But the good part tends to outweigh the bad by a lot. Significant inflows to Coinbase Prime, heightened OTC trading activity. This is, of course, from the whales. A lot of other stuff happening. And you know what? Supply shock. What did I say about supply shock? This is the only cycle where Bitcoin's reserve is going down on exchanges. Think about that. The only one so far. The previous ones, we saw Bitcoin go up in reserves, but the demand outstripped the supply increase. But this is the only cycle where demand is going up and supply is plummeting. So what do you think is going to happen to the price? Take a second to think about it. And by the way, if you haven't already, I'm going to keep saying this. In the past, I didn't really care about growing my X or Twitter, but now I do. You guys definitely need to follow it. I have charts like this and breaking news and clips, interviews, everything on my X. I have a team that's on top of every single thing that comes out. So if you don't follow it, you are missing out, right? And then also I got a new clips Twitter for videos, alpha first, for more like AI, memes, more degen stuff. And of course I got the IFC as well. Okay, so but main thing is follow that. The link is in the description. All right, what else is there? As for Bitcoin's price movement, we're breaking out. And what is that going to lead to? This. This is the last time Trump got elected. And after inauguration, that's what happened. Okay. Although there are some dips. There was a dip in like April. There was a dip around like, I think, June or July. And those were massive dips. Those were like 30, 40% dips. This was back in 2017. Okay. Those dips in 2017 was horrific. But still, Bitcoin went from $1,000 to $20,000 and alts exploded. But look at our current movement. It's almost following it to the T. Like exactly the same kind of trajectory. So what do you think is going to happen next week and the remaining of this year?